Hello, today we are going to see the derivation of to find the total energy of an electron. So, let me continue. So, according to the Rutherford's model of atom, electron is revolving around the nucleus. So, the electrostatic force of attraction between the electron and proton is provided by the centripetal force. So, Fe, that is electrostatic force, is equal to centripetal force. Then what is Fc, that is centripetal force? It is equal to mv square by r. R is the distance between the electron and the nucleus. V is the speed of the electron and m is the mass of the electron. And electrostatic force of attraction between electron and nucleus is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 E square, that is the charge of the electron, into by r square. Now we have to separate the v square here, and we have to take this r and cancel out from here. So we have to get the expression for the kinetic energy to find the total energy. That is, total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. We know that potential energy U is equal to minus E square by 4 pi epsilon 0 r. This negative sign implies that the potential energy is acting opposite to the direction of r. So, we have to find the kinetic energy. Expression for kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So, what we have to find is that here there is r. That should be cancelled with this r. And we have to divide both sides by 2. So, let it be the equation number 1. Equation number 1 divided by half and into r. So that r will be cancelled here and from here. So, mv square by r. Equation 1 becomes is equal to mv square by 2 is equal to E square by 8 pi epsilon 0 r. Now it is easy to find the total energy of the electron, that is kinetic energy plus potential energy, that is equal to kinetic energy is E square by 8 pi epsilon 0 r, and potential energy is equal to E square by 4 pi epsilon 0 r. So we will make the denominators same, then we will add. That is equal to E square by 8 pi epsilon 0. Not E square, that is minus E square by 8 pi epsilon r. So, please not to forget to write the negative sign. Negative sign is necessary because it implies that The total energy of the electron is acting opposite to the radius vector. So this is the final expression for the total energy of the electron revolving around nucleus.